Trying out some different stuff today. Trying out that style of float. Trying out some new dragon weights and some different planer boards. This is a Bear's planer board. I bought this at a show in Pigeon Forge a couple years ago. I always buy the heavy duty clips. I don't use what they send because they're no good. I get the heavy duty ones. This is a Amazon dragon weight. Nothing special about it. It doesn't have any flotation on the top. It's just bigger than a normal weight, making it less likely to get hung up. By a company called Firewater Marine on Amazon. Since we're pulling Amazon on this rod, this is a clear board, comes off Amazon. It's got the cheaper Scotty clip. It's not near the quality of that Bear's board, and they're about the same price, believe it or not. But I'm going to try it just to see if it works. It is the heat of the afternoon, Sunday, Memorial Day weekend, and this is the narrowest creek I could find. And the reason I want a narrow one is it's too narrow for these big wake boats to sit here and do circles in. It gets a lot narrower as we pull out of it. Either way, this is where I'm dragging today. Full-blown spawn here. I expect it to be a tough bite, but you never know until you throw. That's why we're giving it a go and trying out some cheap planer boards. I'm already hung up over there. Looks like that Firewater Marine weight was the first one to get hung. Well, it came loose. No flotation in it. It's just gonna drag the bottom. I've never been in this creek. It could be full of hang-ups. I see some boats coming this way now. Well, the headpiece is the first bait to get nailed. First one today, y'all. This creek's gonna get real narrow. It's gonna make it harder for me to pull these planer boards with these boats that keep coming by. Here comes another one now. Bunch of small fish, typical this time of year. Not much room to run these planer boards with these Relentless boats. I had 10 boats pass me before I could finish that sandwich. It's a good thing I didn't eat 2 sandwiches. That would have been 20 boats. Firewater marine weight. Almost got hung up twice. These other weights that are longer and float on top haven't given me any trouble. Might not be a bad fish right there. He ain't no giant, he's just on a cheap planer board. Giving up. He ain't giving up. That's an ornery fish right there. Let me spin the boat around so I don't run into this pontoon boat. There he is, y'all. Out here fighting the boats in the heat. Woo! I wanted to finish running through there, but they perched right in the middle of the channel, so right on my course. There goes another boat. there went another boat. That's why I chose the smallest creek I could on the quietest section of reservoir there is, where you wouldn't be able to stand it out here. That pontoon boat is still parked right in the middle of my course out there. I'm gonna leave that in the boat until I leave. Ain't putting up with that. I'll stop on my way back home and put that in Fort Loudon. There goes another boat. So far we've seen about 50 boats and 2 catfish. There goes another boat. The old camera is about to overheat, and so am I. I've drank about 40 gallons of water today, and I ain't peed one time. It's hot out here. That sun's going behind a little bitty cloud just for a second, and then it's gonna come back out and torture me. I can hear another boat coming. Boy, I'm glad about that. And to make things even better, here comes a jet ski pulling a raft. All right, y'all, I've had enough of this.